welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the Dual Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift. To perform the Dual Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift, stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider than shoulder width, with your feet pointing straight ahead or externally rotated up to 15 degrees. Flex your hips to bend forward and grasp the dumbbells with a closed, pronated grip. Your knees should be slightly flexed and remain in this position throughout the entire movement. Stand up with the dumbbells and position the dumbbells in line with each leg. This will be your starting position. Inhale as you lower the dumbbells slowly and under control, making sure the dumbbells remain as close as possible to your thighs and shins. As the dumbbells are lowered, your hips flex and move backward. Keep your arms straight and relaxed to allow your lower body to handle the load, and keep your knees slightly flexed as your hips move backward. Your shoulders should move forward as your hips move backward and remain over or slightly in front of the dumbbells. Your weight should be over the midfoot to start, and as the dumbbells are lowered, begin to move toward the heel. Lower the dumbbells until a neutral spine cannot be maintained. Once the dumbbells reach their lowest point, exhale as you extend your hips, keeping the dumbbells as close as possible to your shins and thighs. Move your hips forward and your shoulders backward as your hips extend and your torso reaches a vertical position, keeping your arms straight and relaxed to allow your lower body to handle the load. Your weight should be over the heel to initiate the lifting phase and move toward the midfoot as you reach the top of the movement. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.